So hey, what's up YouTube? I took off on the scooter this morning and I headed it in any direction. I just took off on this road and I ended up at one of the destinations that I wanted to see. It's called the Mangrove Forest Walk. And I believe it's a couple kilometers and you're walking through the mangrove forest over the water and you come up to, there's a river that comes through. Boats, you can fish. Man, really cool. They also have a resort over here called the Mangrove Forest Resort. And after this little walk through here journey, I'm going to go visit the white sand beaches. So stay tuned. So yeah, I took off on the scooter this morning and I was just going to head down some back roads. I figured I got Google Maps if I get lost to find my way back, and I found the Mangrove Forest. Man, it's really cool, serene. I don't know how many kilometer walk it is, but we will definitely check this out. Who knows, maybe I can see a snake or a big spider. Yeah, right. But yeah, pretty cool. They got some cool cottages over here you can stay in. And like I said, that resort over there. I did pass a really big resort on the way in. I'm gonna have to go check that out. It looked really, really cool. But yeah, phenomenal place. So stay tuned today on the journey. I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna venture into some towns. The town I passed coming here was Muslim. It was a Muslim town. I thought it was all Buddhist over here. Pretty cool. Like I said, it costed $1. They got a nice public restroom. You did have to pay. That was the first. Usually the restrooms around here I go to, you don't have to pay. I didn't really understand the lady. I seen how she had her hand out, so I gave her, it's probably about 25 cents. She smiled. But yeah, the mangrove forest. I got the dogs. Yeah, so if you come over here to Kokong, definitely got to check this place out. It's nice and serene. Hello.
You want to order something to eat, Mom?
Nice place.
Thank you. Hello.
Very nice. Yeah, so they serve food here. Obviously. Hi. I'm good right now, thank you. No beer for me. But yeah, it's a nice walk. But basically you got all these little places here. You can rent, you can get food. They'll obviously bring the food out to you. Man, this looks like a great fishing spot. Get a fishing pole. Come out here and do some fishing. Man, really nice river. Very cool. Yeah, pretty neat little places. They got a bathroom in there, a bed, obviously a little table. I came across this resort I was heading back. I was going to go over to the white sand beaches, which I still will, and I came around a cool little place there. There's lots of those like little chalets. Man, there must be like 30 of them. Then they have the different style houses over here. It looks like there's a big restaurant over there. Obviously, another side over here. Very cool. But it seems very dead, like barely nobody's here right now. Maybe it's not busy season. Very unique. It almost seems like nobody's even here. It's a beautiful island over here. But I think we have to go across by boat. I'll go another day. So cool. We're deep down in a province. So that's all for today, folks. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and stay tuned for the next video.